As head of sourcing and supply, I'm in charge of the strategic choices of our suppliers, the supplier management, and the overall supply chain from a supplier perspective. Our goal is to choose the right suppliers for our products to ensure quality to our customers. One decision that I'm often working with at Mycronic is to focus on the processes that we have. We have one particular important process for supplier communication, where we either communicate with our ECO process or our exemption process. If not followed, there is high risk that we get bad quality or late deliveries that will implicate our supply chain. One skill that helped me a lot the first month at Mycronic is to ask the question why. The goal is to understand our processes and therefore also learn every day. One tip for someone that wants to work in my field here at Mycronic within sourcing and supply is to focus not only on results but also on relationships. One habit that we have within my team to keep quality consistent is to try to build structure and discipline within our processes. As important is the mindset. We need to build a culture within Mycronic and externally that makes us build quality and not just check for quality in the end, but all the way from the start. One rule of thumb that I rely on when things gets complex is clarity first. We need to understand our problems before we can handle them. How I create clarity is to make sure that people are meeting in person. Usually when we have clarity issues, we tend to email each other. But by meeting in the same room, we are usually much more eager and solving the problems much quicker. My view on sustainability is that it should be a part of every day-to-day decision at Mycronic. At Sourcing and Supply, we are trying to include this now with a system called EcoVadis, where we will have sustainability as the baseline for all our work we're doing in my department. If I could invite one of my coworkers to challenge themselves to build our culture, that would be speak your mind. I think we have a potential to give ourselves more feedback around ourselves and not just constructive feedback. I think we can give positive feedback when we think about it. How do I bring tomorrow's electronic to life? I would say by securing high-performing and reliable suppliers that enable our production to run smoothly, and thereby we can deliver our machines to our customers just in time.